Hey, just popping in to remind you that your homesteading journey does not have to be put on hold until you own a home or own acreage. I live in military housing, and these are some skills I'm able to do right now. I have two different types of compost. I have this larger, just backyard bin compost, and then I also have this in-ground vermicompost system. So basically it's a worm farm, and they eat our food scraps and then also nourish my garden. They're in my tomato garden bed. I have 3 garden beds where I'm growing food and flowers from seed, and then I have 2 fermented pets in my house, my sourdough starter and my ginger bug, so I can make all kinds of nutritious sourdough foods and DIY probiotic sodas with my ginger bug. I bake and cook a lot of our food from scratch, which I'm very proud of, because when I moved out on my own for the first time when I was 20, I did not know how to cook at all. I only knew how to reheat. So I am very proud of where I am in my journey.